Sabine und Michael, German Curriculum, Chapter 5, Section 7. Next to the last chapter of the curriculum for the first year of it. Die Treppe, the stairs. Geht die Treppe hinauf. That means goes the stairs up, meaning goes up the stairs. Der Keller, that is cognate with the word cellar, so that's that. Basement, in other words. Das Dach, that is the roof. Der Dachboden, the roof floor. What is the roof floor? The attic, that's what that is. Die Decke, remember we had that as the blanket in the last chapter for a bed, but the Decke also has another word, not just for cover for the bed, it also covers the room if you think about it, and what does that? That would be the ceiling. Die Wäsche, so Decke in this case is called the ceiling. Die Wäsche, that's, of course, you can imagine, the wash. Die Waschmaschine, the washing machine. Wäscht, washes, those are not too hard. Soll, that means should. Soll die Wäsche waschen. He should wash the wash. Yeah, or something like that. Etwas, that means something. Saw a great t-shirt once at a language fest called Sprachfest. It says, etwas means something in German. Of course, then you have to ask, well, what does it mean? Well, it means something. Well, I know, but what is... Anyway, you can go on and on with that. Etwas means something in German. Well, it really does, etwas. Sometimes just called was in vernacular speech. Ich möchte was essen. I wish to eat something. It's actually, ich möchte etwas essen. Okay, so that's that. And das stimmt. Well, that means that's right. The Stimme, though, is your voice, technically, and if you are tuning a guitar, it's called Ich stimme die Gitarre, so that's a couple different meanings. But if somebody says, das stimmt, they are agreeing and saying, that's true, or that's right, yes? Die Garage, well, you can imagine what that is. The garage, of course. Der Wagen, yes, that means the wagon, but in this case, it also means the car, all right? So that's something... after all, there's a famous company called Volkswagen. That doesn't mean wagons for the folk, for the folks. It means a car for the folks. Okay, so wagon is interchangeable with car. Wagen is car. Okay, in this sense. And, der Besen, that is the broom. Older English word was called besom, and that is related to Besen. You probably have never heard that word. I wouldn't have either if I hadn't had read it somewhere in classical music. Anyway, kehrt mit dem Besen, what that means is sweeps with the broom. And kehrt means to turn around like this. If you're making a U-turn, then it's called kehrt machen, and think about how you are supposed to. It doesn't mean everybody sweeps that way, but you're supposed to take the broom and go like this, and like this, and like this. And that's really the motion that you're making with a broom, or supposed to make anyhow. Hinunter, that means... here the word unter is under, and so that means down or downward, and vice versa. Hinauf means up or upward, and those are exactly the same as herunter and herauf. That's the same thing, just different ways of saying the same thing. Hinunter and herunter, same thing, both down or downwards, and hinauf and herauf, same thing, both up or upwards. Continuing with the story now. The story is almost over, and we are still cleaning the house. We have here Sabine und Michael and Rolf, and at some point he and Rolf have got to talk, right? So this is going to happen now. So let's see, let's get that all in the picture. There. Okay, Rolf geht die Treppe hinauf und räumt den Dachboden auf. Sabine geht die Treppe hinunter und wäscht die Wäsche im Keller. Michael geht in die Garage und kehrt mit dem Besen. Er sitzt auf dem Wagen und denkt, warum soll ich diese Arbeit machen? Wir sollen zusammen lernen. Oh ja, ich lerne etwas. Das stimmt. Okay, so what this is Rolf goes the stairs upward and rooms, as in cleans, tidies up the roof floor. Well, Rolf goes upstairs and cleans the attic, basically, yes? So there you go. There we go, hinauf, and cleans the Dachboden, the floor of the roof. So there you go, cleaning the attic. Sabine geht die Treppe hinunter. Sabine goes the stairs downward. Sabine goes downstairs. Und wäscht die Wäsche im Keller, and washes the wash in the cellar. That's a place that people have their washing machines often if they have this kind of house. Anyway, Michael geht in die Garage und kehrt mit dem Besen. So Michael goes in the garage and sweeps with the broom. That's what he's doing right there. He's not playing golf. And there he is. That's the garage. Okay. Sitzt auf dem Wagen und denkt. That doesn't mean he's sitting on the wagon and is thinking. No, he's sitting on the car and thinks. Now, quote, that's what he's thinking right here. Why should I this work make? Meaning, why should I do all this work? Is really what he's saying. Wir sollen zusammen lernen. We should together learn. Meaning, we were supposed to learn and study together. Right? Remember? Oh ja, ich lerne etwas. Oh yeah, I'm learning something. Das stimmt. That's right. So what he's learning is that Sabine is a Slav, basically, and that he has to watch out for this other guy. That's what he's learning. Not what he had planned, is it?